If you've been locked out of your Gmail account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Go to the Gmail sign-in page. Before starting recovery, use the isra.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your account. This will help Google identify your account for recovery. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, receiving a verification code via SMS or email, or using an authentication app. Step 4. Choose a recovery option. Once your identity is verified, select a recovery option. You can choose to receive a link to reset your password via your recovery email or phone number. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the link provided to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Gmail account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.